So it says for assistant, please call this number. So I'm gonna call them. Call this number and talk to them, right? Okay, extension. Okie dokie. Let's see what they're gonna tell me. Hello, this is Mill Creek driver. I have a pickup here, 532250 trailer. First name ERMIN, last name SMLATIC. 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 Mill Creek. Purpose, I wanna hook up the trailer and go away from you guys. No, I'm not dropping, I'm bobtailing in. I am bobtail, I come to pick up full loaded trailer. Yeah. 532250. What other one? Yeah. Yeah, 317 478 7771. Thank you, have a great day. Bye. So this is how it's basically done, right? Ask me a few questions. What's the number of trailer picking up, and that's done. Now let's look for this baby. 532250. 532250. I see it already. 532250. So I'm gonna pick this baby up here on my right? So why turn here? So we're gonna hit this nice and a straight line. There's the baby. Alright, hopefully it's all good. I have to inspect it and go with all this routine, you know, everyday routine, same thing, right? Hey buddy, don't get too aggressive here. So you guys, for new drivers, watch your pin, right? Trailer pin is very important, right? If you damage, you're gonna be in big shit, right? See that? From the beginning I turned 45 and I'm in actually. All I have to do is just straighten my wheel. I don't have to do nothing, just slowly. Alright? Opposite way because of 45 and I need click. Alright, click is there. Let's pull it. There you go. So you gotta take it first, yeah. Okay, let's hook this baby up. So we are continuing, guys, and I just dropped my first load into yard, and I will I'm going now bobtail 30 miles to pick up another load. gonna be heading to Georgia, US. So this is gonna be much more exciting trip because on that way it's not gonna be many rest areas and things like that, right? So only way to avoid problem with rest area is basically I will stop earlier tonight and start my whole 4 days trip earlier, so I don't have to deal with the parking issue through, you know, Cincinnati and all this BS area, right, where it's really private parking, right? So I'm gonna start, I will shut down around 9 p.m. tonight. Let's see, I have 9 hours to drive actually when I cross the border. Before I cross the border into US, I'm gonna have about 5 hours left to drive in US. So meaning I should stop around 9 and I can start 7 in the morning, yeah. And keep that rhythm because I don't wanna a rhythm, not the rhythm, a rhythm. So I don't wanna face the rest area issues. There's a lot of construction there. There's a lot of truck stop there filled with trucks, and you know I don't want to slip on truck stops because you know trucks are running around me. I cannot get good sleep, so I will avoid truck stop as a rest for any cost, you know. Maybe just for a coffee, and I don't, and probably fueling going back because I have to fuel in Canada. Gas is cheaper here. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe. We are growing this channel. Now is over 700 subscribers per month. It's fairly new channel, and the reason why I opened this channel is mostly for a new beginners, new drivers. So everybody, you know, I was new driver a long time ago too. So let's educate them so we all older guys are safe on road. That's my goal, you know, because I see many young drivers there, you know. That's why I avoid flying J's and stuff like that, because so many there is not even fun, right? And I want a peace. I don't want to deal with this issue, right? So that's for now. I will update you with my hookup here, right? So I'm easy, I'm bobtailing, so it's like driving a regular car, right? You don't worry too much about your length and things like that, right? But soon I'm gonna have trailer on, right? So I'm gonna go to James Snow Parkway, and I'm gonna be there in 2 minutes actually. And this is for international driver. I'm in Canada right now. Usually my runs are running 95% in US and only like 5% in Canada. So we depend of America big time, and anybody who tell me doesn't like American, they're just BS, you know. If we don't have America next to us, we're gonna be really big country and poor country, you know, because we'll be not big trade. Remember, guys, there's 10 million drivers in Canada and US together. That's like almost one country in Europe. So we are huge in this industry, right? Now let me see if anybody will let me in. Let's check how generous Canadians are. Oh wow, these guys are generous. Really surprised me for Toronto area. Usually here people are really not generous to my experience, but okay. James Snow. So we're gonna go one more there. It's called James Snow Parkway. I have to search to see who was James Snow. Really, it must be some important figure in Canada. Usually they name their roads by famous people, you know, maybe scientists or who knows, right? We can Google it. You can do it for me and let me know, because I'm busy. I cannot touch the phone. Sorry, guys. Okay, Robert, we got your message. You're turning left, Robert, and I'm going left too, Robert. Right, so I see Gordon Food Service there. That's the biggest US-Canada food supply chain. Wow, huge warehouse. It's a cold house actually. Frozen food idea. Okay, don't move, please. Alright, so see how simple is that way? This is one of the simplest pickup you can do actually. It's all automatized, right? All, you don't talk, you just call the person and they open the gate and you all done. See that guy? I have no idea where he's going. 4 lights, man. Keep professional manner. Yeah, great. Turban, man, that's why. I'm not against turbans, guys. I am not against them, but you know, lots of them, I actually call them flip-flop drivers. So they are good drivers, it's just, you know, they don't behave as they should, right? That's it. So here's my gate.